Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is January the 9th and it's 2023 already. Can you believe it? It's just a lot going on right now. So with all of that being said, it's Happy Meal Day here at the home front. And if you can remember, on October the 3rd, 2022, I had an opportunity to interview the Soyel brothers, Tiankum and Zach. They've sent me an amazing package I'd like to open. Things get delayed with their move, and I knew this was coming, but I kind of wanted to share it with all of yous. The Soyel brothers does a lot for community and a lot for charities, and you're going to want to check them out if you haven't. We're going to drop the interview in the description box as well, so if you haven't seen it and there's some pretty cool questions in there, you can check it out. My hope and goal is to bring them back again for another little roundup. So, I don't like to give addresses and things, so I like to put those down. Let me see how I can open this without hurting the contents. During the time that I was talking to the gentleman, we had a lot of special conversations, and they mean a lot to me. They have Christian faith based just like we do. And we talked a lot about our faith and how we bring them into our channels, and we just stick with what's true to our hearts. So Joe's going to be dropping their links and things in our description box. But with all of that being said, I am so thankful and blessed to finally have this in my hands. They sell these on their website. And they're handmade and hand carved, and it's just beautiful. It is a seam ripper and stiletto all in one. And all you do is open it up, flip it over, and insert. And then on this end is your stiletto. Now, how cool is that? This is just a one-of-a-kind original. It has the cherry wood. It's burned, it's handmade, and I'll hold this near and dear to my heart for a long, long time. I love it that it's just something special. And in talking to the gentleman, I've also got one of their shirts. Now, how cool is that? This girl appreciates, because I love shopping their channels, and it's always fun. So how cool is this? So, Soyel brothers, Brody, Tiankum, and Zach, I greatly appreciate having one of your shirts in my studio. And it is just going to be a fun chance to show channels that I cherish and hold near and dear to my heart as well. Thank you for the lovely gift, and I'll cherish this for the rest of my life. I appreciate it. Thank you guys, and once again, October the 3rd, 2022 is my interview. My hopes and goals for this year is to bring them back, or possibly Brody. They are all over the place with everything from opening their new shop, holding quilting retreats. They're talking now about the Alaskan quilt retreats that they're going to be doing there. So check out their channel if you haven't already. They have their sales on Wednesdays and on, I'm trying to fool with this at the same time, Saturdays, and sometimes during the week you'll get a little alert. If you're not getting them, make sure that you text their number and get signed up, because you're not going to want to miss anything. They've always got something up their sleeves and coming out to you, and it's amazing. They never seem to fail. So thanks again, guys, for the lovely gifts. I greatly appreciate them. Take care. God bless. And make sure you check out the Soyel brothers. Bye-bye, guys.